Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can sign out of Google Wallet. So let's jump right in. To begin, open the Google Wallet app on your phone. Make sure you're currently signed in with the Google account you want to manage. Once you're inside the app, you should see the main dashboard. Now, here's the important part. Since Google Wallet is directly linked to your Google account, there isn't a traditional sign out button within the app itself. Instead, to sign out of Google Wallet, you'll need to sign out of your Google account on the device. To do that, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a drop-down showing all the Google accounts currently added to your device. If you simply want to switch to another account, just tap on the one you'd like to use. Google Wallet will automatically switch to that profile. However, if the account you'd like to use isn't on your device, tap on Add another account. This will take you to the sign-in screen where you can enter the credentials for the new account you want to use with Google Wallet.